Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen. Yeah. Okay, who do you want to make cookies with? Hey, little chef. You help me make some more delicious word cookies? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's get started. Okay, watch this. B. G. Go for it. Bug. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This me favorite part. Mix letters and make cookie. To mix, move your finger in circles on bowl. Easy does it. Magnifique. It cookie in shape of bug. Okay, me start word. B. G. Wow, you. Bag. Oh, please, oh, me no can wait. Magnifique. It cookie in shape of bag. Oh yeah, me go first. B. T. Wow, you. Bit. That's it. It's working. It work. It bit. Hey, who bit the cookie? Was it you? You bit cookie? Okay, how about this? B. T. Wow, you. Bat. Yeah, that's it. Magnifique. It cookie in shape of bat. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Cookies look so yummy. Me no can wait to taste. We work hard and now reward. We have cookies for every word. Why? Why? Well, you know, sharing is caring. What you doing? Bat. Oh, for me? Oh, boy. Okay. Nom. Yeah, little taste, please. Bag. Oh, for me? Oh, boy. Okay. Nom. Why? Yeah, little taste, please. Bug. Nom. Wow, you such a good sharer, little chef. How about we make more cookies? Oh yeah, me go first. D. G. You turn. Dog. Come to cookie. Magnifique. It dog. This dough. Hear me go. D. G. You turn. Dig. Oh, me no can wait. It work. It dig. Me dig a hole to hide cookie treasure. This dough. Hear me go. L. G. Wow, you. Leg. Oh, me no can wait. Holy cannoli! It cookie that look like leg. This dough. Hear me go. L. G. Wow, you. Log. Oh, me no can wait. It beautiful. It cookie in shape of log. Wait, cookie's already gone? That okay. Me see what you did there. Yeah, you share cookies. That terrific. Me cool with that. There's no problem. Some cookies for you, some cookies for me, some more cookies for me. Me got more cookies, some cookies for me. Okay, let's just make more cookies.